To express your preferences, you can use grammatical structures like I would rather or sooner than, I prefer to, I'm more into dash than dash, I'm not really a fan of, or you could say I'd rather not, or I'm not particularly keen on. So, these structures will help you explain your likes and dislikes when it comes to different holiday activities and destinations. And finally, when describing holiday souvenirs, you can use words like keepsake, memento, or a token, remembrance, gift, or a trophy. So, there you have it, essential vocabulary and grammar structures for describing and comparing holidays. Do not forget to practice using them in your IELTS speaking exam. Now let's take some questions and see how we can use these words, shall we? So one common question is, do you like holidays? Why not? So you could say something like, yes, absolutely. I love holidays because they're great opportunities for me to wind down, recharge my batteries, get down with my family, or just hang out with friends. Or you can say something like, yes, definitely, I like seeing the world, from great historical monuments to white sandy beaches is what life is all about. It's very interesting to learn about new cultures and explore new places. There's another very common question that comes in the IELTS speaking test, which is, how do you plan and prepare for your holiday? So you could say something like, well, I always research first because I know exactly what I like. I thumb through holiday brochures and check travel sites like Airbnb on the internet. You can add stuff like, I love to travel light. I'm drawn to spectacular beaches and lush forests. Or something like, I usually make advance reservations for self-catering accommodation. Yeah, so see that you use all these terms and express and describe your experiences. Let's move on to the next question. How much time do you spend traveling on a normal day? So you could say something like, on normal days, I don't spend much time. As you know, I'm pursuing my studies and working simultaneously. So it's really difficult to travel on normal days. I prefer traveling on long weekends, or let's say around festive holidays. The next question is, do you prefer traveling alone or with a group? Why? Now, this is a good one. So you can say something like, personally, I prefer traveling alone as I enjoy planning my trip and having the freedom to make spontaneous decisions. For example, during a trip to Tokyo, I decided to just change my plans and spend an extra day exploring the vibrant district around, or something like that would have been difficult to do on a group tour. Being independent allows me to see and experience what I want and to spend as much time as I desire at each step. The next question, do you think that tourism industry will continue to grow in the next 2 decades? Well, the answer could be something like, yes, I believe the tourism industry will continue to expand, especially with the aging populations of European and Asian countries who will have more leisure time. Also, there are numerous affordable destinations available today that offer excellent value for money, and people crave peace and nature after being in hustling and bustling cities, So for example, you can add an example and say, I recently visited Indonesia, where I observed that the tourism industry was booming because there were so many visitors seeking the island's natural beauty and cultural experiences. A recent question related to this topic was, what are the impacts of tourism on a local economy? For a question like this, you can say something like that the tourism industry has a direct impact on local hotels and restaurants, as they are commonly frequented by tourists. So on the positive side, tourism can increase sales for these establishments, and it's a valuable source of income for hospitality industry. However, tourism can have adverse effects on the environment, such as, the destruction of natural habitats or spoiling of landscape and contributing to pollution and waste. During my travels to Thailand recently, I witnessed the negative impact of uncontrolled tourism on the environment. You could add on something like, with plastic waste littering on the beaches and overcrowding in tourist hotspots. It's crucial for the governments and local communities to establish responsible and sustainable tourist practice, to mitigate these effects. So, guys, these were some questions which are in this or any other manner can come to you in your speaking section. So today in this video, we have learned so many new words, idioms to score good, I hope. Let me know if you want me to cover a specific topic. Until then, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon.